Howdy, today I'd like to demonstrate a project my group and I built for a Kakuro Puzzle game. So, to start off, I'd like to explain on how to fill out the squares and a little bit about the UI. So, if you notice, when you hover over squares, they actually highlight. And then the squares that you can't change, you can't actually see any highlighting. So, we'll start messing around with the corners here. I'll click on this square and we've got a cool little widget that pops up that gives you the options 1 through to 9 and an X. So 1 through to 9 will give you the ability to plug in that value, and an X will clear the square. So we'll start off with a 9 in this top left corner, and because 9 and 8 make 17, we'll whack an 8 in here as well. And I shall put a 9 in here, and then I'll demonstrate that clear. So cool, the square's cleared out. And then for a Kakuro puzzle, it actually has a deal with duplicity. So you cannot have more than one instance of a value in a line. So if I click 9 here, it'll prompt me. So if this digit exists in another cell, if you click yes, it will set that cell to nothing and change this cell to your desired number. So we'll quickly click a no, show that works, and then we shall click 9, and then click yes. Cool, so let's clear these two squares out, and giving you the cell with your desired number. So I'm going to quickly explain check, the puzzle still isn't finished, keep trying. So it will keep telling you that it's incorrect until you have solved the puzzle correctly, and then it will prompt you that, you've successfully completed the puzzle, good job. Other than that, I'd like to plug a few more values in just to throw them around, and then demonstrate this restart button. So clicking this restart button will restart and clear. However, it does prompt you, are you sure you want to restart the game? Warning, restarting will remove every value you have entered in the puzzle, including those from a saved file. So click yes, cool, it's all clear, we can start working from a fresh file. So I'd like to demonstrate the open puzzles. So from file, and we shall click the 7x7. Click OK, prompts us, and if we choose to do that, we lose any current progress, so I'm not too fussed at the moment. So here's a 7x7, and then I'd like to demonstrate the random puzzle function as well. So click yes, cool. So we now have a 6x5, and then I'd like to do a from file, because I want to explain this in a simpler table. Click on that, cool. We'll do a 2 and a 1 and a 3, and then we will do a save. So this software actually allows you to save your progress as well. So as you can see, I've got my own little one down here that I saved on. We'll just click on that and save on top. So save. So CSV file already exists, do you want to replace it? Yes, I'm not too fussed. Cool. So let's pull up that folder and open that up, so you can get a bit of a look of exactly what the CSV file looks like. So open up our Kakuro window. Cool. So the X's denote squares that have nothing in them, and then the squares with slashes actually denote some value squares, and then the squares with full values without any slashes or X's denote the actual values that the user plugs in. So you could choose to solve the puzzle from your Excel file, or if you feel like doing it the possibly more enjoyable way, you could do it through the GUI. So we'll close that off, and we shall also close, no, I'll put this out of the way. So we're in here, and I saved the file. Let's click restart, clear those squares, click on file, open puzzle, from file, click on our Kakuro puzzle, click open. Would you like to do this? You will lose any progress. Cool, so it loads it up. So I'm just going to quickly do a clear and solve this puzzle myself. So I believe it's 2, 3, 1, 3. Whoa, this one always gets me. It's a 2, it's an 8, it's a 4, it's a 1, there's a 7, and there's a 9. Cool, so I'll do a check. Cool, you have successfully completed this puzzle. So from there, I'd like to quickly demonstrate, go through the game So Kakuro is a type of logical puzzle that is often referred to as a mathematical transliteration of a crossword. And for further information on how to solve a Kakuro puzzle can be found over at this website right here, so give that a whack if you're more interested. And then there's the how to create a puzzle. So this is actually quite extensive and goes through a lot of the detail on how to create the files yourself. So I'll either let you go through that in your own time, or you can pause this now and have a read. So close that off. And then there's the exit feature. So before you go to exit, it prompts you if you actually want to. So we'll click on cancel, and then we'll also show this one off as well. So we'll click on yes. Cool, software's closed off. So I'd like to thank you for having a listen, having a watch. It's unfortunate that you can't see half of the work that's been put into it due to the amount of code and only a certain amount of UI. But thank you for listening either way. I hope you enjoyed.